Clean nature, boundless freedom, deep silence, peace, a fresh scent of mighty woods, inspiration of new energy, embrace of love. Feel the genuine power of nature, freedom in movement as an emerald river, vital as a dance in a silky soft grass. By being aware that health is above all values, at Youb, we have chosen as the color of the year 2021, a color that connects. It connects people, mind and heart, home with nature, today with tomorrow. The color which conjures nature in every home. The color which caresses with its silky softness and encircles with love. The color of the year 2021, silky green. Let your moment of inspiration begin at home, in the nature's embrace.